Hello guys, welcome back to another unique and easy to follow tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to make beautiful woolen flower using clothes peg. Get two color wool of your choice and wrap the first color around the clothes peg for 15 times. Then tie to secure it. Now tie firmly the second color of wool right at the middle of the first one. Wrap around the second color of wool on the first one 10 times to make visible combination. At this point, pull the woolen design out from the clothes peg. Now sew to secure one side to form a round shaped design. Make the little pieces 5 and sew them together to form beautiful flower. Please guys, remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Attach a bead at the middle to make the flower more beautiful. I trust you all will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.